It's moist out here. You don't believe me? I just stepped in a puddle. I'll show y'all. I just stepped in that. Not paying attention, unbeknownst to me. Yeah, that's it. Unbeknownst to me. In the back, yeah, it go live. Problem is, it sounds like it's a whole nother world. There's people who do it on the regular. There's always competition out there, and there's always somebody to compete with. I walk down the street, there's a lot of restaurants here. A lot, man. A whole lot. For sure. Yeah, I gotta excuse the camera. It's getting wet. It's moist. Get some of that beautiful weather. Some of that beautiful weather. All right. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Some people talk to you. Some don't. Some look at me like I'm crazy, but I get it. I understand. It's not that cold. I just don't want to get wet. Don't wear the two coats. This one's a waterproof on top. It seems to be doing the trick. It's barely anything on my sweatpants, so it's working. I admit, it's definitely working. I figured looking around is far more interesting than looking at me. Yeah. Waiting across. I'm being safe. I'm being safe. Here we go. We walking again. It's working now. That's good. It's good. Yeah. Yes, sir. It feels good to walk normal. This is 2 days of it. I can't imagine last time I was going up and down here like on a regular. Normally I've been walking the other way. I did a little self-investment. I had to do a little benchmark. And that's when I was in the food. That was a journey. Difficult. And it was actually cold. It was cold at that time. And then it got mild like it is now. In the last few weeks right after Christmas, it was really cold. You know? So the weather's a bit bipolar, real good, you know? For us, definitely. The police, y'all. Something's going down. Something's going down. Just in case y'all didn't believe me when you hear the sound. That's the sound of the police. Not the song, that's the sound of the police, literally.